two systems. One is called symmetric cryptography, another is called asymmetric graphy. The asymmetric has two keys. Okay, one for encryption, E for encryption, see, KE. So this key is for encryption and this key is for decryption over there, right? So they use two different keys, while here both are using the same key over there. This is the main difference between these two systems over there, right? So mathematically, how we write it? Mathematically, we can write that. See the red color. See the red color. They have the same key. See, so this is that one key, right? So it is the same one. Here you have KE and KD. See, this is the difference between these two. So in the KE is for encryption, the plain text, you will get the encrypted text, and then how to convert back to the decrypted one, you need a KD. KD means the key for decryption, and then you will decrypt it and find a plain text again over there, right? So this is the main difference between they have it. So the DE are the mirror images, right? Encryption and decryption keys comes in a pairs. Then a decryption key KD inverts the encryption of the KE so that the convert C back to the P involves a series of steps and the key that are different from the steps and the keys of the E over there, right? So this is the main difference. You can analyze further and see. If you have any question, you can ask me, but the main difference, you got it.